Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Refuge. The song is Refuge When It's Cold Outside. The artist is John Legend and the choreography is RANDI O'Neal. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing class in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
First unheard message.
All right, guys. That is Refuge. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.